through is Lefebvre. Tapped through, big stop. Hilliard there as they needed him. Nicolat on the attack with Matheos and Dingwall. Big shot for Matheos. And Jace Hilliard's been tested a couple of times already after coming into the contest. Like Jared Ryan had the chance to get that finish. He'll get a second chance on a rebound. Again with the feed to the wing. Trying to go top shelf. And Hilliard covered the low end. Snapshot off the ice. Nicolat wanting to challenge. Cleared by Hilliard. On one. Ediak's going to have to catch up. And along the ice, missing the wide side, was the left winger. Now to the other end. It's, I believe it snuck under the pad and he had to rely on the blade of the skate. And again, now to the other end. Back and forth we go. Big contact, Bruin. Off of his stick or his body. And Zayden McLean was just run over, plain and simple. We'll see if the 17s last weekend. Time and space, wrist shot over the net. 6:26 remaining in the second period. Battle right now along with Dingwall. Time and space for Nicolat. And a big stop. Jace Hilliard not looking on number 5. To the other end. Snapshot missed the net high. And the speed of that shot allows the puck to roll to the far blue line. Quick transitions is such an important part of hockey at this level. 2 tries, a third. And again, Lefebvre. Important part of hockey at this level. 2 tries, a third. And again, Lefebvre. Matheos. Well, you know what? As I said, Hilliard's looked comfortable. He has seen everything. Ahead to Dingwall, but they're going to run out of clock. Shots on goal, 12-11 for Calgary. But we'll collect and reset. Good path, nice stop. Hilliard comfortable. 1/3. Puck never traveling in the same direction for very long. In between, solid save. You can hear some NAX fans made the trip down south, no doubt about it. And Jace Hilliard, kick out to the blue line, tapped up, whiffed through, second try. Lefebvre's there and they score! Loic LaBelle, he's got all 3. Tapped up, whiffed through, second try. Lefebvre's there and they score! Loic LaBelle, he's got all 3. No lead is safe. But a 2-goal lead is a little bit safer. Liam Nick. Along with LaBelle again. The bounce. Cleared away by Hilliard. The bounce. Cleared away by Hilliard. .11:09 in period number. Loose puck, makes a move, LaBelle scores again! Looks like it may have gone off the to join us for that contest. The floater, a couple of bounces, and Hilliard had to be very careful. For the double dip tomorrow, 11:30 and 2 o'clock. This year. The other side, trying to go short side, was LaBelle looking for his 5th of the day. But that will conclude the contest. 6-3 your final.